Hi guys, this is the Java series Part 14. Now let's discuss naming convention in Java language. It is good practice to name class, variables and methods name as what they are actually supposed to do instead of naming them randomly. Okay, why we need naming convention? For good maintenance and readability of code while developing the software. But it is not forced to follow. That's why we can call it as convention, not rule. These conventions are suggested by several Java communities like Sun Microsystems and Netscape. Now, let's discuss the naming convention for a class, interface, method, variable, package and constant. We will discuss one by one. First, naming convention for class. It should start with the uppercase letter. If the name is having multiple words, the first letter is small, then consecutive words are joined with the first letter as a capital letter, like tax department. Here, the first letter is the capital and the next consecutive word, department, D, is the capital. Okay, it should be a noun like a color, button, system, thread, etc. Use appropriate words instead of acronyms. The second one, the naming convention for interface. It should start with the uppercase letter. It should be an adjective such as runnable, remote, action listener. Here we have two words. So the starting letter is the capital and the next consecutive word is also the capital. All the other letters are small letters. Use appropriate words instead of acronym. The third one, naming convention for method. It should start with lowercase letter. Okay, it should be a verb like main, print, println, etc. If the name contains multiple words, start it with a lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter like action performed. Here, the first letter A is the small letter. The consecutive word performed, the first letter is the capital. The fourth one, naming convention for variable. It should start with the lowercase letter like ID, name. It should not start with the special characters like ampersand symbol, dollar symbol, underscore. If the name contains multiple words, start it with the lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter like first name. Here F is the small letter, N is the capital letter. Last name. Here L is the small letter, N is the capital letter. Avoid using one character variables like X, Y, Z. The fifth one, naming convention for package. It should be a lowercase letter like Java, lang. There should be only one English word after each dot like java.util, java.lang. The sixth one, naming convention for constant. It should be in uppercase letters like red, all the letters are capital. Yellow, all the letters are capital. If the name contains multiple words, it should be separated by an underscore like max priority. So in between max and priority, we have the underscore. It may contain digits but not as the first letter. I hope you all understand. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.